And another episode from Lyckesand Nudist Beach. It was amazing to be here. As I was walking along the beach, it was super amazing. There was basically no one on the beach, so I decided to take one more episode and one more swim before the sun sets behind the horizon. It is still 24th of June, Monday. I'm on vacation and I'm exploring the coast of Böda, and I'm not really sure which number of episode this is for today, but I have had many swims in the Baltic Sea. And Lyckesand, it's a nudist beach, and there is also a public one that starts after that rock in the distance. You can see where this coast ends. So this whole stretch here is a nudist beach, and it was super crowded earlier today when I was running here towards the end of the coast. Now there is basically no one here, but it's amazing anyway. And I have been doing lots of steps today. I'm already at 30,000 steps. I have been doing both running, walking and bathing and swimming in the sea, of course. It is still 19 degrees Celsius in the air, still very warm, 18 degrees Celsius in the sea, and it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris. So follow me as we take a swim right here, as I'm showing you how beautiful this nudist beach is. Probably one of the best nudist beaches I have been to. It's a wonderful mixture of nature, beach and sea. Indeed. Look at that. It's spectacular and beautiful. And the water looks super clean. There is not a single seaweed over here. So it's so clean and beautiful for a swim. Pure piece of nature. Look at the water. Absolutely amazing. So yes, finally the time for the last beach adventure of today. It is now almost 8 p.m. and I'm starting to get hungry, so I really need to get something to eat. And it's been a long day actually, exploring many different beaches on the coast of Böda. The water here looks absolutely beautiful and clean at Lyckesand, and I'm so blessed that I'm having a vacation in Öland and have to enjoy and experience this beauty. So let's then go for a swim at Lyckesand Nudist Beach. Let's go! It's amazing indeed. What a wonderful day. Sunny all day long, and it's gonna be like this for 5 more days of my vacation here. It's beautiful and stunning. I can't believe that I'm now on almost half of my vacation, so a total of 11 days actually. And I have visited also Kalmar and Bergestaden, and now here in Böda the majority of the time. So that's a wrap from Lyckesand Nudist Beach, this wonderful nudist beach in Öland, the best one on the island, and probably one of the best in Sweden and in the world. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.